Chimen, that's your favorite project from our God boat, Kelly Chkwebka. Guys, remember my last video where I showed you guys how to treat chronic respiratory disease, but I showed you guys the theoretical aspect of it. Now, guys, I have something different for you guys today. Now, I'll be showing you guys a natural remedy to treat chronic respiratory disease. That I mean cough. Your bed, whenever you see your bed coughing, or now I will show you guys how to treat natural remedies to treat chronic respiratory disease. Now, let me show you guys what we have here to do this treatment. Now we have ginger, we have fennel seed, we have cayenne pepper, we have garlic. Now we have lemon juice, we have honey, our blender is ready and our scale is ready as well. So guys, now I'll be showing you guys how to use each and every one of these. But before then, please go subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, hit the notification bell so whenever I release a new video, you get it automatically. Now, everything I'll be doing today is practical. So guys, let's go on immediately. Now the first thing we'll be using is, now we'll be measuring these things. Remember, all these things have their own weight. Now we're measuring 10 grams of fennel seed. Now 10 grams of fennel seed. These are fennel seed. Let me just show you guys. This is how the fennel seed is. See, this is how it is. In case you go to market, it's a fennel seed. I'll be showing you guys this. I'll be showing you guys the full name and their scientific name as well. So fennel seed, what we're using here is 10 grams of fennel seed. 10 grams of fennel seed. I think we have a long way to go. 10 grams of fennel seed. Oh, so let's just leave that 11. Now the second one is ginger, 50 grams of ginger. I think we'll start from beginning again. 50 grams of ginger. Now I didn't remove, I didn't remove the bag because the bag too works very well. The bag has its own effect very well. So we have what will be 50 grams of ginger. What we have here is 60. I think this guy, we're removing this guy. 38, 49. Now look for a smaller particle of it. 49. Let me use this guy. 51. Let's just say the one represent the back. Yeah, let's just say the one represent the back. Now 50 grams of garlic. Now it's either you can use it. I did remove the bag as well. It's either you can use it like this, or you can see if you want to remove the bag, no issue. But I just love it like this, okay? So we'll be using 50 grams as well. 50 grams of garlic. 50 grams of garlic. I think you have a long way to go as well. Oh, sorry, I didn't take it off. So 50 grams of garlic. Oh, we have a long way to go. So guys, this is practical, and if this video is quite very useful to you, please go and subscribe to my channel. Follow all my social media handles: my Instagram, Godboard, Kelly Chkwebka, my YouTube, your favorite poultry farmer, my TikTok, your favorite poultry farmer, my LinkedIn, Godboard, Kelly Chkwebka. We still have a long way to go there. This 38, and we're looking for this 41. This 49. Okay, this 50. Now let's say the 52, the 2 there is just the back as well. Now next thing we'll be doing is cayenne pepper. 50 grams of cayenne pepper. Let's look for the good ones. So guys, these things are just practical. Oh, sorry, I didn't off it. So guys, these things are practical. 50. So guys, the next one is now now this is what we'll get now. First, now it's time for us to see if we can blend it. Okay, so I remember this is my lime water. I'll say apply it to my line. I'll say apply here. So now this kind pepper, I've already blended it with this guy because this guy is good at blending all this hard seed. This guy is good at blending hard seed. So I didn't blend it with this guy because if I try blending with this guy, it might not blend the texture I want. It might not blend to this powdered form. Yeah. So I don't want my bed to be, although I will still sieve it, but I don't want my bed to end up, eating what I don't know. So guys, so what next now? We'll have what we'll be using now is 500 ml of water. Guys, be always careful with this water. So let's just put it first. Okay. Now let's pour everything inside. Yo guys. Oh wow. So as you can see, everything is making sense already. It's trying to make sense. Now our lime juice. Then we'll just pour everything. Guys, as you can see, now time to give them honey. Now remember what we are giving them is 4 tablespoons of honey. Imagine these guys are taking honey. My bed are taking honey. That's why if you see my bed, they're always super healthy. 4 tablespoons of honey. This is 1. Now I'm actually, you can either give them honey when you are done blending with this stuff, but I just want everything to mix together. So that's why I'm just putting this honey. I just want everything to mix together. I think this 3 and this 4. Guys, my beds are taking honey. So now that you see my bed, they are super healthy. Like, they are super healthy. So guys, now it's time to blend. It's time to blend this guy. So guys, if you give your bed this stuff, you will never, and please note, that doesn't mean that you will not give them the vaccine or the anticoccidosis they need. No, please make sure you give. So we've done with everything. We'll put our ginger, our garlic, our cayenne pepper, our honey, our lime, our fennel seed. So guys, it's time to blend. Just make sure you blend everything. Make sure they blend very, very well to avoid your bed eating. Make sure you blend it very, very well. So guys, remember, after you are going to sieve this guy. You're going to sieve it. Now I'm not done blending. I'm still blending. Now our bed are coming in by next week. So I just want this guy to be ready. So I don't want to be, by that time I'll start stressing myself, because this kind of seed was this funnel seed was very difficult to get. So guys, remember, please, as a poultry farmer, when you notice cough or sneezing in your bed, these are the remedy to give them. Okay, so we are still blending. So guys, when I meant to give my bird this wonderful remedy I just made, I'm meant to give them by week 2. Yeah, by week 2, so that this thing will go and flush out every bacteria, virus in their body. Please, I'm saying it again, that does not mean that you won't give them, what's it called, you won't vaccinate them or you give them antibiotics. No, this is basically for cough. Okay, so guys, please, my birds are coming in by next week. My bird will be coming in, so I just want to make this stuff ready. So now I'll go sieve it. After sieving it, I'll put it in the fridge for it to just be there and be cool enough, okay, and be chilling. So guys, please go subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, hit the notification bell, so whenever I release a new video, you get automatically. So guys, this is the best remedy to use whenever you're sick, whenever you notice your bed sneezing or coughing. And please go check out my other video I made, the practical aspect I made on the theoretical aspect I made on how to treat chronic respiratory disease in your bed on your chicken. So guys, we have actually our last bed, we've actually sold everything. We sold everything, and we're bringing in another one by next week. We're bringing another one by next week. So I just want to like show you guys this video, so that when it is time, you guys just deal with it immediately. So guys, please go subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, hit the notification bell, so whenever I release any video, you get it automatically.